Hello all. As we all know, WhatsApp has released new sticker features. You may have seen stickers app like this with lots of creative stickers. Today we are going to learn how to create such apps. For this, firstly search WhatsApp sticker GitHub. Now click on the first link. This is the official WhatsApp repository. Now browse through it, click on Android. Now check the minimum app requirements, like you have to use 1512 into 1512 pixel image for each stickers, and you can use maximum 30 stickers for each sticker pack. Now let's clone this. Click on clone or download, click on download zip. Now click on show in folder. Now extract this zip. You can extract it wherever you want. I am going to extract it in my home folder. Now click on extract. Done. Now let's open this in Android Studio. Click on Android Studio, click on import project, select your newly extracted folder, hit OK. Now firstly click on this little gray icon and unselect the second option. Now you have to rename the package. First let all the processes complete, then open your app Java folder and rename this example folder. Right click on it. Now rename it. Don't forget to check these two little boxes. Hit refactor and now hit to refactor. Now similarly rename the second folder. Check these two boxes. Refactor. Now click on do refactor. Now go to your build.gradle. You can see this is the exactly the same package that you have just provided. Also in manifest file you can check the package name. Now for this I am going to set the minimum SDK version to 23. Let's start our app. Select the target. Build fail. Let's see what's wrong. Click on open file. Now here, don't forget you have to comment this if condition. Let's comment it. Let's rebuild our project. Select connected device. This is the sample app provided by the WhatsApp. These are the common stickers. Now we are going to add our package. For this, browse through your project, go to assets. These are the stickers that you have just seen. Now go to your content association. You can see this is the name of the folder in which all your stickers are present. This is the name of your sticker pack, and these are the image file of your stickers. Please note publisher email and publisher website are the optional fields. You can also provide Android Play Store link in your app. Now let's add our stickers. For this, let's copy this folder, paste it here, rename it, hit OK. Now these are the stickers that we have seen. Now let's copy this object, paste it. You can see these files are in PNG format. You have to rename them into WebP format. Now select all the images, right click, click on convert to WebP. Now please uncheck these two boxes, hit OK. Now you can see the difference between your PNG and WebP image. Click next, click next. Let accept all. Now to rename this sticker pack, let's name it conversation. Change the identifier. Let's change the publisher name also. I'll change the tray image. Tray image is the image that you are going to see in the tray of your WhatsApp, like this. Let's rename it. Add publisher email codeclub.dev at gmail.com. Let's add let's add publisher website. Now do note these are the optional field. Now let's rename all these image files. I'm just going to copy paste this for now. Paste. Now, I have only 9 stickers, so I'm going to remove the rest files. Yes. Let's change the names. Yes, done. Let's build our project. As you can see, we have now two sticker packs.